context of the move is a front plane 4-petal anti-spin versus 0-petal extension in underhand opposite. Each hand does a reversal. A reversal is where the arm changes direction. So if you were to do the Pilates for, say, the left arm for this, we're coming around to the right to your 3 o'clock, then reverse the arm at 3, then reverse the arm at 3, then reverse the arm at 3, reverse the arm at 3, reverse the arm at 3. And then if you were to look at the right, so if your left is coming down, your right is going up to start out with. So, because the two arms are going like this. If you look at them from the front, so if you're starting crossed, right? I do Medina style, and then you spin all the way around, uncross, and then recross. Uncross, recross. Uncross, recross. Yes. Now the thing about this is it's not this, right? It's this. It's really big and close. Yes, exactly that. The right arm, because I started the left going down, the right arm will go up first, so it would do the spin, anti-spin, spin, reverse, anti-spin, spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse, spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse. Start here on the right, and then we'll do down, left, up, right, reverse, and then down, left, up, right, reverse, reverse, down, left, right, reverse, reverse, down, left, up, reverse, reverse, down, left, up, right, reverse, reverse, down, left, up, right, reverse, reverse, down, left, up, right, reverse, reverse, and then one more reversal this way, one more reversal this way, and then let's do the right arm. It's going to go up in the spin, then reverse to anti-spin, up in the spin, reverse to anti-spin, up in the spin, reverse to anti-spin, up in the spin, reverse to anti-spin, up and down and up and down. We'll start again over here. Let's just do 5 sets of the whole full thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. I am. Anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, in spin. 2 more. Anti-spin, in spin, anti-spin, in spin. Okay, and then let's do the right hand, starting with the spin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spin and anti-spin, 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 and last one, last one. Okay, so if you're like this, right, well, I'm going to try and demo it. So my right will go up, my left will go down, right? If I'm going to do anti-spin with my right one first, right? And I'm going to get to there, which is where I'd reverse, and then I'd reverse again. Personally, your mileage may vary. I feel the need, in order to get it over the top of the other one, I feel like I have to bend to get to that side and bend to get to that side. So I'll show you front view because you probably can't see it as well back view. I am bending in the direction of the hand that's on top. Yes, that is correct. So if I'm starting with my right hand in anti-spin, my right arm's going to go up, my left arm will go down. So it's opposite. You will not be mirroring me if you're trying to follow along, right? Because I'm facing you. So this arm is going to go down. My strobing arm is going to go up. So and then reverse, and then reverse, and then reverse. I don't know if it's easier for you to start with the arms crossed, because then you get the full effect, right? So if you started with the arms crossed, you'd be like this, right? And then, so right on top, left on bottom. And now the right will do the in spin, the left will do the anti-spin. 1, 2, 3, 4. This drill is challenging. Just being able to hold it like this is challenging, for sure. But it's not like my planes are clean. I mean, if you look at them sideways, they're just, well, yeah, but they're clean in flow, or clean enough. drill your right arm first. Let's start from the left side here. We'll do the spin first. Let's do 10 sets instead of 5. So 5, 6, 7, go. Spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse, reverse, and 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 I think it's 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, and 2 more, and last one. Now let's do the other side. So the left one starting here, we'll go down first in the anti-spin, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reverse, reverse, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then just for shits and giggles, let's go back and do the right hand again because I'm not sure I actually got 10 in. So 5, 6, 7, go, and reverse, reverse, and 3, reverse, and 4, and reverse, and 5, and reverse, 6, and reverse, 7, and reverse, 8, and reverse, 9, and last one. Okay, a few minutes ago, this thing here where you're tipping your body. So this is with my right hand on top, left hand on bottom, and then trying to go to tipping it the other way, so the left's on top. Yes, so if you were to watch me from the front, this is my right on top, and then just even doing this part of it and getting to the other side, and then reversing and getting to the other side. Yes, yes, and then reversing, without trying to do it consecutively. That could be helpful. Okay, so if you're trying to fix it from this to this, okay, have we talked about the fingertips as the steering wheel thing? We're steering it with the fingertips. So in this particular direction, when we're doing underhand opposite, your index fingers are the steering wheels. So you want to focus on pushing down and out. The other thing that can help is more rotation with the wrist that you might not normally be inclined to do. So additional wrist rotation while you're focusing on flicking down and out might help. And that's true, I think, in either orientation. For just this week, just do the bum 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 bum, the 10 like we just did with each hand, right? Right? And then if you want to try and put it together, just do it in the 2 phases. Without trying to like do the whole pattern. Okay, so just for this week,